Welcome to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. I am Aaron Rogers, the Digital Learning Coordinator.
And I'm Matt Hawley, the Emerging Technology Coordinator. The goal of this channel is to give you a place to find tips,
tricks,
resources,
and any other digital learning tool you might need in your classroom.
Make sure to check back here as we continually upload videos to help you integrate technology seamlessly into your classroom.
Whether you're a technology pro or a first-year teacher, you'll be able to find something on this channel to inspire you in the classroom.
We look forward to building the catalog of videos on this channel to best serve the needs of the teachers and students of this district.
We're excited to share our passion for digital learning with all of you this year.
And remember, as George Couros says, technology will never replace great teachers.
But technology in the hands of great teachers is transformational.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.